नमस्कार दोस्तों, श्रीहन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज एसएससी सीएचएसएल 2026 के 45 सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स। हर क्वेश्चन के बाद 5 सेकंड सोचो, फिर आंसर आएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, इन अ सर्टेन कोड मैंगो इज रिटन एज ऑक्पिया। हाउ इज ग्रेप रिटन इन दैट कोड? ऑप्शन ए इटक्राई, बी आईटीआरजी, सी इटक्री, डी आईआरसीटीआई। आप सोचो। Sahi jawab, high option A. ITCRI. Each letter shifts Palas 2 positions forward in the alphabet. Question 2. Find the odd one out. 49, 64, 81, 100, 112. Option A, 49B, 81. C, 112D, 100. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option C, 112. 112 is not a perfect square. All others are perfect squares. Question 3. If A is the brother of B, B is the sister of C, and C is the father of D, what is A to D? Option A, uncle, B, father, C, grandfather, D, brother. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option A, uncle. A is brother of B, who is sister of C, D's father. So A is D's uncle. Question 4. Pointing to a woman, Ram said, she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. How is the woman related to Ram? Option A, sister, B, cousin, C, aunt, D, mother. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option A, sister. Grandfather's only son is Ram's father, so she is Ram's sister. Question 5, complete the series 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. I'm option A, 40, B, 42, C, 44, D, 48. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option B, 42. Pattern. N plus 1. Next is 6 out not 42. Question 6. In a row of students, Priya is 8th from the left and 12th from the right. How many students are in the row? Option A, 18. B, 19. C, 20. D, 21. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option B, 19. Total allot 8 plus 12. One for 19 students. Question 7. If teacher is coded as VGCEJGT, then student is coded as option A, UVWFGPV, B, UVWFGPU, C, UTWFGPV, D, UVWEGPV. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option A. UVWFGPV, each letter shifts Pablo's 2 positions in the alphabet. Question 8. Arrange in logical order. 1 seed, 2 point fruit, 3 plant, 4 flower, 5 tree. Option A, 13542, B, 15342, C, 13452, D, 15432. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option A, 13MI42. Seed, plant, tree, flower, fruit is the natural growth sequence. Question 9. Which of the following Venn diagrams correctly represents doctors, females, mothers? Option A, 3 intersecting circles. B, 3 separate circles. C, 2 circles inside one large circle. D, 1 circle inside another. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option A. 3 intersecting circles. All 3 groups overlap partially, but none is a complete subset of another. Question 10. A man walks 10 km north, then 6 km east, then 10 km south. How far is he from the starting point? Option A, 4 km, B, 6 km, C, 10 km, D, 16 km. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option B, 6 km. North and south cancel. He is 6 km east from start. Question 11. Find the missing number 3, 9, 27, 243. Option A, 54. B, 72. C, 81. D, 108. Ab socho. Sahi jawab, high option C, 81. Each term multiplied by 3. 27 to 3. Kenand, 81. Question 12. If all roses are flowers and some flowers are red, which conclusion is definitely true? Option A, all roses are red. B, some roses are red. C. No rose is red. D. None of the above. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option D, none of the above. Neither conclusion follows definitely from given statements. Question 13. How many triangles are there in a figure with 4 triangles arranged pointing upward and 3 inverted between them? Option A, 13. B, 15. C, 18. D, 27. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai option C. High standard arrangement of 4 upward triangles yields 18 total triangles. Question 14. In a certain code language, go home now, that 493, now come here, that 835, here go fast, that 457. What is the code for here? Option A 4, B 3, C 5, D 8, absorcho. Sahi jawab hai option C5. Here appears in sentences 2 and 3, common code is 5. Question 15. Mirror image. If a clock shows 8:20, what time will its mirror image show? Option A 3:40, B 4:40, C 3:20, D 5:40, absorcho. Sahi jawab hai option B 440. Mirror image of 820 is calculated as 1160. 820 minus 340. Correct answer is 340. Question 16. A train 150 minutes long passes a pole in 15 seconds. How long will it take to pass a platform 300 minutes long? Option A 30 seconds, B 45 seconds, C 25 seconds, D 35 seconds. Absocho. Sahi jawab high option B 45 seconds. Speed 9 man 9 10 mess. Total distance Khan 450 meter. Time Lan 45s. Question 17. If the simple interest on a sum for 2 years at 5% per annum is R400, what is the compound interest on the same sum at the same rate for 2 years? Option A R410, B R420, C R415, D R405. Absocho. Sahi jawab high option A. R4 that. Principal back 2000. CI baki kaza dautuis and ace manman loam tuan arda 14. Question 18. A can do a work in 12 days and B can do it in 18 days. In how many days can they together complete the work? Option A 7.2 days, B 6.5 days, C 8 days, D 7 days. Absocho. Sahi jawab hai option A. 7.2 days. Combined rate Tidsus 1 V 12 1 1 1 18 V 5 ton 36 days 26 50 D 7.2. Question 19. The ratio of two numbers is 3:5 and their LCM is 225. What is their HCF? Option A 15, B 25, C 10, D 20. Absocho. Sahi jawab high option A. 15. Product, Dogit, HCFX LCM. Numbers 3. Confused leak, LCM. Kokipli Fedi 225, extra 15, HCF, Vifurfin. Question 20. A shopkeeper marks his goods 25% above cost price and gives a 10% discount. His profit percentage is option A 12%, B 15%, C 10%, D 13%. Absocho. Sahi jawab high option A. 12.9%. SP bulan kadru CPEC 1 don mesam bagat kia ton nan sinlain red 1.25 CP profit mounted 12.5%. Question 21. If x plus 1x ergo 5, then x2 plus 1x2 error. Option A 23, B 27, C 25, D 21. Absocho. Sahi jawab hai option A. 20 x plus 1 zanak x 2 da x 2 ada 1 zaman zaman x 2 unlock 20 for 2 content under gi. Question 22. The average of 10 numbers is 40. If one number is replaced by 70 instead of 30, the new average is option A 44, B 42, C 43, D 41. Absocho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 44. New sum got 400, 30 plus 70, forgiras 440, new average for 40. Question 23. A sum becomes ARA Sun 6250 in 2 years and ARA 6965 in 3 years at compound interest. The rate of interest per annum is option A 10%, B 12%, C 8%, D 15%. Ab socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 10% rate. Dana 6655 62 fierce 6258 1 for hand 605 621 furious or town. Onk for 10%. Question 24. If the radius of a circle is increased by 20%, its area increases by option A 44%, B 40%, C 36%, D 48%. Ab socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 44%. एरिया R2 न्यू एरिया 1.44 PR2 increase Tila 44%. Question 25. A boat travels 24 kilometers upstream in 6 hours and 20 kilometers downstream in 4 hours. What is the speed of the stream? Option A 1 kilometer h, B 2 kilometer h, C 1.5 kilometer h, D 0.5 kilometer h. Ab socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 1 kilometer or day upstream to 4, downstream 5, stream divide to 4, 2, 0.5, wait, 5, 4, 2, 0.5. Correct answer is 0.5. Question 26. The value of Emanata and Patika Katuti is equal to option A Tandut, B Sintotakasi Katute, D Exostut. Absocho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 10 to the S ikke to the boik skozek Yekato sin tutkos tuta duak tentukat. Question 27. In a triangle ABC, angle A jat 90 degree. AB ra 5 cm, AC at 12 cm. What is BC? Option A 13 cm, B 11 cm, C 15 cm, D 17 cm. AB socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 13 cm BC D lanan dosan we sim kicks for diva arsa testi zinne nan terasan meman met. Question 28. A number when divided by 56 gives remainder 29. What is the remainder when the same number is divided by 8? Option A 5, B 3, C 7, D 1. Ab socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए Lima. Leaf Prudilak pass is 1 9, 2 and B 9, 8 na 3 remainder. Map remainder anna 5. Question 20. The selling price of 12 articles equals the cost price of 15 articles. The profit percentage is option A 20%, B 20%, C 15%, D 30%. Ab socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 20%. Profit dar 3CP 12 and 25% of SPX 12 kun 12. Profit percent dar 3 night 12 at 100 dar 25%. Question 30. If 3x, 5y, 8 and 11 and xy pates is 12, then 9 gets 2 plus 25y2 spates. Option A 241, B 250, C 221, D 300. Absocho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 241 the 3 5 and 9 day कोई बटून सुफी वाइस 2 जो तो 3 1 to 22 streaks 481 num weight 121 phases 30 deck dot 241. Correct answer should be 481. Question 31. Choose the correct form of the verb. She packs tune to the market every day. Option A go, B goes, C going, D gone. Ab socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी goes. Third person singular subject takes S with verb in simple present. Question 32. Identify the error in he is one of the best student in the class. One option A he is, B one of the best, C student in, D the class. Ab socho. सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी student in. after one of the use plural noun, students. Question 33. Fill in the blank with correct article. The honest man is always respected. Option A, B, and C, the D, no article. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B, an honest starts with vowel sound, so an is used. Question 34. Choose the correct passive voice of the teacher is teaching the students. Option A. The students are being taught by the teacher. B. The students were being taught by the teacher. C. The students are taught by the teacher. D. The students have been taught by the teacher. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option A. The students are being taught by the teacher. Present continuous passive. Subject plus am is, are plus being, plus past participle. Question 35. Select the correct indirect speech. He said, I am very tired. Option A, he said that he is very tired. B, he said that he was very tired. C, he told that he was very tired. D, he said that he were very tired. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B. He said that he was very tired, reported speech changes am to was following sequence of tenses. Question 36. Choose the synonym of eloquent. Option A, silent. B, expressive. C, dull. D, angry. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B, expressive. Eloquent means fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. Question 37. Identify the correct sentence. Option A, neither of the boys have done their homework. B, neither of the boys has done his homework. C, neither of the boys have done his homework. D, neither of the boys has done their homework. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B, neither of the boys has done his homework. Neither takes singular verb and singular pronoun. Question 38. Choose the antonym of frugal. Option A, thrifty. B, careful. C, extravagant. D, economical. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option C, extravagant. Frugal means economical. Its antonym is extravagant, meaning wasteful. Question 39. Fill in the blank. The jury divided in their opinion. Option A was, B were, C is, D has. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B were. Collective noun jury takes plural verb when members act individually. Question 40. Select the correctly spelled word. Option A, accommodation. B, accommodation. C, accommodation. D, accommodation. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B, accommodation. Correct spelling is accommodation with double C and double M. Question 41. Choose the correct preposition. She is good. Quande mathematics. Option A, in the. B, at it. C, on the. D, for. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B, at good at is the correct collocation for expressing skill or ability. Question 42. Identify the figure of speech in the wind whispered through the trees. Option A, simile. B, metaphor. C, personification. D, alliteration. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option C, personification. Giving human quality. Whispering to non-human wind is personification. Question 43. Choose the correct conjunction. Work hard. You will fail. Option A and B or C, otherwise D, but ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option C, otherwise. Otherwise shows consequence, connects condition with result correctly. Question 44. Select the meaning of the idiom. Burn the midnight oil. Option A, to start a fire. B, to work late into the night. C, to waste electricity. D, to sleep early. Ab socho. Sahi jawab hai. Option B, to work late into the night. Burn the midnight oil means to work or study very late at night. Question 45. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. Option A, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? B, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? C, It's a beautiful day, isn't it? D. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? अब सोचो. सही जवाब हाई ऑप्शन बी. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Contractions need apostrophes. It's and isn't. Question tag needs comma. तो दोस्तों ये थे आज के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. कितने सही हुए कमेंट में बताओ. ऐसे डेली प्रैक्टिस के लिए चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक ही करो और फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम.